Like that switch connects to your battery.
Turn it off?
Yep. Now everything's off.
Yeah.
Alright. Turn the key on real quick. Still got your solenoid, still got your PTO working. Turn it up.
In the game.
That's it right there. All that's squared away. Now I just got to tighten up the wires.
In the game. The doctor's in.
I fixed it.
He fixed it. That's what I need to do, man.
What?
Learn about wiring.
Shit, man, this is over.
I don't know shit about troubleshooting wiring. I'm at a law, but as far as replacing parts and all that shit, I'm cool. But as far
the wiring, yeah, you're right, but it's one of those things you just start doing.
No shit.
And you get it wrong the whole time. That's how you get it right.
Yeah.
Because you can only get it wrong so many times before you get it right. But really and truly, it took a long time for me to understand how the wiring.
No shit.
These lawnmowers, it took a while. It took a couple of years. When it came to the wiring, I was always gun shy. Then I got good at it one day.
Right.
I started having all these I had all these harnesses, and I just started looking at them and seeing how simple they was, and how it all worked out. And it just come to me one day after messing with it so long.
Hell yeah.
But a lot of it had to do with the way way they set up their grounds on the inside of this what do you call it, that magneto in there?
Right.
That stator.
Yeah.
That stator is wired different on every single brand of motor, like Kohler, Kawasaki, PowerMate, all of them, and Yamaha, Honda, all of them are different.
No shit.
Every single one of them, all different. So they require a different wire setup. So you go from a Kawasaki, like this had a Kawasaki on it when it was made. So when you go from Kawasaki to Briggs & Stratton, you got some shit on your hands then.
Right.
Because it don't match up. But I'm familiar with going from Kawasaki to Briggs & Stratton and also to Kohler.
Right.
That's the only way I figured that out. Because I just figured out how it worked after a long time, you know.
Yeah.
Because you got, like Briggs & Stratton's got 5 wires that go in right here.
Uh-huh.
Kawasaki has 2. And you're like, how the hell does it do this off of 2 wires?
Right.
Shut off and everything. You know, it's kind of, you look at it like, oh, fuck, does it do that shit? There's just no way. 2
Hell
wires,
yeah.
you mean 2 wires turns this thing on and it cuts it off and charges the battery
Right.
and turns on the solenoid, just 2 wires? I'm like, man, hey, there's no way. Then you gotta figure that shit out. Then you got this going on there, and them 2 wires gotta make it work.
Right.
And it don't work off of 2 wires, you know. And then you can't, if you double up somewhere, you done messed up on something. Because on lawnmowers, the positive is also the negative.
Right.
When you turn that key, it'll be a positive. Then when it's running, that positive turns into a negative when you let off that key. And then when you turn it off, it turns into a double negative, and that's what shuts it down. But it's a positive. But the wires swap back and forth, like 12 volt, like 1 minute this will be hot.
Right.
When you're starting it, then that turns into its ground.
Right.
And carries a load on it.
Uh-huh.
And then that's when it's running. Then when you shut it off, they swap again, and one turns. Then the ground goes back over here, and the positive turns off.
Right.
Because it ain't trying to start. It's real confusing. So it's like, you get it wrong, it really messes shit up.
Hell yeah.
That's the only problem about it. That's what made me so gun shy. Shit burns up.
Right. Well, y'all, he got me going.
And one other thing,